Gnome Alone, my epic adventure in container cucumber farming. How to grow cucumbers, complete growing guide. Yo, fellow garden gnomes, it's Dave the Garden Gnome, here to spill the dirt on growing cucumbers in pots like a pro. Now, I've been tending to gardens since, well, let's just say gnomes don't exactly keep birth certificates, but even a seasoned pro, like me, can learn a new trick or two. That's why I was stoked to check out this killer YouTube video about cultivating crunchy cucumbers in containers. Let me tell you, it was like watching a veggie symphony unfold. The video's host, this super enthusiastic dude with a contagious laugh, was like a walking garden encyclopedia. He guided viewers through the entire process, from planting those tiny seed soldiers to harvesting cucumbers the size of baseball bats. And the best part, the video used these cool time-lapse sequences, so you could see the whole cucumber saga play out in fast forward, like watching popcorn kernels transform into a movie marathon snack. Now, speaking of popcorn, I once tried growing my own using a recycled pot. Let's just say things didn't exactly pop as planned. The kernels ended up looking more like deflated marshmallows than fluffy movie munchies. But hey, that's what gardening is all about. Learning from your mistakes and maybe using the right seeds next time. This awesome video could have totally saved me from that popcorn fiasco. It breaks down everything you need to know in a way that's easy to understand, even for a gnome with slightly moss-covered brain cells. Here are some of the juicy tips I learned. Pick the perfect pot. Think of it as your cucumber's personal apartment. Make sure it's spacious enough for them to spread out and has drainage holes so their roots don't get waterlogged, like a gnome accidentally taking a dip in a bird bath. Planting party. It's all about giving those seeds a cozy welcome. The video shows you exactly how deep to plant them and how to keep the soil nice and moist like a comfy bed for your future veggie friends. Sunbathing superstars. Cucumbers love sunshine more than gnomes love shiny pebbles, which is saying something. The video explains how to find the sunniest spot in your garden for your pot so your cucumbers can soak up those rays and grow big and strong. Watering woes. Don't drown your cucumbers. The video teaches you how to give them just the right amount of water, like giving your pet goldfish a refreshing drink without overflowing the bowl. This video is jam-packed with even more cool tricks and bonus content, like how to deal with pesky bugs and troubleshoot any cucumber calamities. So, if you're looking to grow your own crunchy, delicious cucumbers without the hassle, this video is your golden ticket to gardening greatness. Trust me, even a gnome can do it, so why not give it a shot? You might just surprise yourself with your green thumb. To see more of this, how to grow cucumbers complete growing guide, the video link will be available in the description. Happy gardening!